Pampered Soaps. I am going to do just a quick video today with our CBD bath bombs. So I'm going to show you the bath bomb. These are our 10-ounce bath bombs. Let me see if I can get the camera right, make sure you can see it. Okay, so these are 10 ounces and they have the CBD oil in them. Okay, and we're going to test them out in the water. I've had some questions about are they bubbly, do they last long, so I'm just going to do a quick video on this. Okay, so here we go. Gonna drop it in and let's see what happens. There we go. Plenty of bubbles. Doesn't leave a ring and it does last. The CBD oil inside the bath bomb will definitely help with any pain that is like arthritis or any kind of soreness, anything like that. So it looks pretty good right now. You see it still bubbling, making some bubbles there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's very bubbly. If you can see that, me put my hands in it there. And 10 ounces, it will take a while for it to dissolve. I'm going to pull it out so you can see. Look at that, it's not even halfway through. So as you can see, it's still quite full and it's very bubbly. So we try to make sure all our bath bombs, CBD oil or not, are full of bubbles like this. So that's what you see. It's kind of filling up now. We might overflow if we let it go too much longer. But just wanted you guys to see the quality of the bath bombs. All right. So again, I'm going to pull it out for you. And again, we're still not even midway through. And we have a full bowl of bubbles right there. About ready to overflow. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. We'll see you guys next week. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe. Visit our site, pampersoaps.com. Be blessed.